hope it doesn't rain today. I just hope. I didn't get my rain jacket on. I just got my leather jacket on. I just noticed that in Sydney you can now park your bike on the platform. That's actually quite funny. So why would you even get a bike if you're gonna park on the platform? In Melbourne, I've been parking on anywhere I want and I'm not receiving any ticket because it's legal, right? So I got a friend who just moved to Sydney like a few weeks ago. He's a rider too, so he got a bike. He rode his bike from Melbourne to Sydney, and yeah, he was just thinking like he could park on the platform, like as he always does in Melbourne. Apparently, he received a $65 or $70 ticket for parking on the platform. We were all confused and it sucks, man.